Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to use animation presets.
Let's begin! Let's start!
In After Effects, animation presets include many presets that store preset effects, keyframes, expressions, making it easy to apply high-quality animation to objects and texts by dragging and dropping. First, prepare a new composition. Click the Create New Composition button at the bottom left of the project panel. When the Composition Settings dialog appears, rename the composition as Animation and click OK. Animation presets can be applied to empty composition panels, and we can also apply effects to animation presets. The Effects and Presets panel only displays the name of the animation preset, so if you want to check the animation content before applying the animation preset, you need to install Adobe Bridge from Creative Cloud. Click to select the created composition on the project panel, then from the Animation tab in the menu bar, select Browse Presets. Then, Adobe Bridge starts, and the Presets folder are displayed like this. Adobe Bridge categorizes folders by animation type, so double-click the folder you want to see in the Presets folder. Here, I will choose Background folder. Next, I will explain the Adobe Bridge interface. This will show you the hierarchy of folders, so click to move to the selected folder. This will show you the hierarchy up to the current folder. Animation presets are displayed as thumbnails here, so you can select a preset while checking the thumbnail. Presets selected in the thumbnail will be displayed here as previews. Here, you will see detailed information, such as metadata for the preset selected in the thumbnail. If you want to apply an animation preset from Adobe Bridge to After Effects, double-click the preset to apply it to the selected layer. Here, I will double-click Blocks. Next, we will apply the animation preset from the Effects and Presets panel. This time, from the animation presets in the Effects and Preset panel, select Backgrounds, select Blocks, and then drag and drop it into the layer. When the preset is applied to the layer, in Effect Controls panel, we can see that the keyframe for Evolution property of Fractal Noise effect is automatically created. Also, Mani-Max and Tritone effects are added. If you play it on the Composition panel, you can see the animation like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to use animation presets.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.